After a spectacular real estate update last week here at the beach, we've now flipped the calendar over to November, and we're talking about Turkey Day, and we're talking about Christmas. Here in our Ocean City office, the outside is fully decorated, ready to go for the holidays. One of my favorite times here at the beach. Lots going on, and in fact, just a couple weeks away, we will have Winterfest of Lights that begins here on the 20th of November. Well, what does this holiday change mean for the real estate market? Well, in the last 7 days here in Worcester County, Maryland, we had 68 new listings come on the market, while at the same time we had 67 go under contract. Very balanced and a good pace. That's a little bit more than what we've seen in previous weeks, so a little bit increase in activity there. If we look countywide, 796 actives as of today, and we're selling at a pace of 170 over the course of the last 30 days. That gives us 4.7 months supply here in Worcester County. Wicomico County, in the last 7 days, extremely even, very similar to Worcester County, just not quite the flow. So 33 new listings in the last 7 days, while we had 33 go under contract in Wicomico County. Countywide, 338 total actives as of today, and 101 going pending in the last 30 days. That gives us 3.3 months supply in Wicomico. Finally, in Sussex County, Delaware, rounding out Delmarva, 145 new listings in the last 7 days. Well, we had 148 going under contract. Very even there as well. 2,173 total actives and a pace of 471. That gives us 4.6 months supply. So even though we had Halloween in there and people had a lot going on, we still saw an increase in the overall activity here in the beach real estate market, which I am very happy to see. Now, interest rates. Interestingly enough, we had Fed week last week. Interest rates were reduced by 1/4% by the Fed for the federal funds rate, but as soon as that happened, mortgage rates shot up. It's happened now the last 3 times or 4 times that the Fed has actually reduced rates. We've seen mortgage rates go up as they're not directly tied to what the Fed does, but they're tied to the 10-year Treasury. And as of today, the 10-year Treasury is up, and we are looking at 6.37 on average as the 30-year fixed here across the country. And our FHA loans are coming in just over 6%, 6.09%. So if you like this information, please share it with a friend. I'm happy to break down any areas or segments of the market here if you'd like me to do so. Till next time, we'll see you.